All right. So Dad is. Look at him. Tanya has made him busy lawn mowing. That side is done. And he's doing this side. क्या दहाड़ी क्या सेट हुई थी? दहाड़ी कितनी सेट हुई थी?
चाय मिलेगी नमक वाली? लाल चाय? लाल सा और एक दो रोटी नमक मिर्चा।
सही है सही है। He is going to take bath. Hi. Hi.
ये सब लकड़ी उस पेड़ का रख सकते हैं आप।
What you doing, silly boy?
इस साइड हो गया?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this? What is this?
हाँ। Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. You guys saw Dad mowing the lawn because he has no work, so that's what he's doing it for us. And me and Mom are out to Target for shopping. So let's see what all we buy. It's going to be a fun day. Alright, so we're back home. Let me show you all the stuff that Mom got from Target. She got a lot of stuff from makeup and skincare, and then spices that she wants to carry back to India. So let me show you. So all the stuff in here, you can see, super heavy bag. Let me open it. Alright. I'm not gonna show you every single thing, but there are a lot of tiny things, but you can see it's full of makeup and fake nails and everything, skincare, nail care, a lot of stuff. Yes, is that funny? Is that funny? Is it funny? So for the spices, she tasted so many spices here, like everything seasoning, everything bagel seasoning, and so many other, and she fell in love with everything, so she got that as well. Here, do you have your seasoning bag or no? Okay, so she kept the bag inside, but yeah, she got a lot of seasonings, and she still have some left that I'm gonna take her to Walmart and get it. And also, she also fell in love with garlic powder. She's like, oh my god, garlic powder is so nice and it tastes such nice, like fresh garlic. So she got 2 big buns of those, and Parmesan cheese, because you can carry Parmesan cheese easily without keeping it in the fridge unless you open it. So yeah, that's what we did today, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And Holi is around the corner. It's on Friday, so we got a lot of stuff for Holi to make gujia and matris and all that stuff, nimkis. So we're gonna be doing that today. So we're gonna see you in our next vlog where we make Holi food, and alright then, bye bye.